English Teaching Kit 2020. Unit number 1, Jobs and Occupations. The authors are the following: Gabriel Almonacid, Camila Cárdenas, Constanza Hernández, and Camila Pons. The instructor and supervisor is Eric Gomez. Level of English A2 Pre-Intermediate. Class and unit 9th grade, first unit of the program. Topic: Jobs. Class time 45 minutes. Lesson number 1. The aim is to identify names of jobs and occupations through a writing activity. The learning activity would be students identify phrases and words related to jobs and occupations. The performance indicator would be students use professions like farmer, singer, doctor, etc. in simple present sentences. Lesson number 2. The aim would be to create a poster on Canva about a job advertisement while applying vocabulary and modal verbs. The learning activity would be students create a poster about a job advertisement on Canva while applying vocabulary related to jobs. The performance indicators are 2. Students apply vocabulary such as part-time, full-time, position, vacancy, requirements, curriculum vitae, experience. And the other one would be students apply modals like must and should. Lesson number 3. The aim would be to describe by writing their ideal job. The learning activity would be students describe their ideal job and reasons why by creating a PPT. The performance indicators are 2. The first one is students apply vocabulary related to their decision: medicine, helping, collaborative, engineering, calculation, maths, teaching, teach, learn. And the other one would be students use modal as would and could. Lesson number 4. The aims are 2. The first one would be to describe their past habits by creating a journal mini project writing, and the other one would be to identify adjectives that describe people's personality. The learning activity would be students apply used to associated with jobs according to their past. The performance indicators are 2. The first one would be students use the expression used to. For example, I used to work at the coffee shop, but now I work at, and the other one would be students apply vocabulary related to job and occupations. Lesson number 5. The aim would be to create an unusual job while recognizing the requirements for that job using modal verbs like should, must, have to. The learning activity, students create an unusual job in order to apply modals. The performance indicator would be students apply modals like should and must. Description. The unit is about jobs. The tasks that we included are varied because we try to work with each skill in order to make students feel like they are in a real learning environment. The focus we try to pay more attention to is writing. We think that students are not used to writing, neither at this time, so we are trying to generate a motivation in students when writing. We mostly use the teaching model PPP as we think that it represents how students are used to work, even though we will also apply TBL, task-based lesson, in order to make students engage more and to have a meaningful learning. Furthermore, we try to innovate to make students more focused on the tasks we provided.